and thank you for joining me for day 24 of the Meditation Challenge.
Today we will cover creating your grounding meditation, doing your intention setting and writing in your journal. So take the time now to find your notebook and pen and let's begin. Find somewhere that's comfortable for you. It's completely up to you if you want to sit up straight or lie down to rest. Now imagine yourself that you are a tree and you've got leaves and you've got a wonderful trunk, a big strong trunk. And from your tree trunk, imagine that the core of your body is your tree trunk. So, and from your back, you've got these roots going from your back right through down into the ground. And your roots are reaching all the way to the center of the earth. And you're going to allow all of your worries and anxieties and fears, anything that you don't want to hold on to, you're going to let that be released through your body, through your tree, down through your roots, to just dissipate into the molten lava. Now you may pause this audio or turn it off so that you can create your own meditation for yourself for grounding. Once you finish that, take the time to set your intentions for today into tomorrow. And then take out your pen and paper. And now spend just 5 minutes. That's all you need to do, but if you get carried away, feel free to go on for another 10 minutes, half an hour. And write down your gratitudes. List 3 things you're grateful for and the reasons why. And say aloud to yourself your positive affirmations and write them down. Write them down over and over again in your journal. And then all those thoughts swirling around in your head, get those out of your head and write those down in your journal too. And now you have finished for today.
This now brings day 24 to a close. Thank you for taking the time to join me, and I look forward to you joining me tomorrow for day 25. Goodbye.
Tomorrow, on day 25, you will again create your own grounding meditation, and then you will conclude with your journaling, intention setting, positive affirmations and gratitudes.